Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do subscription boxes, product reviews, makeup hauls, candle hauls, mystery boxes. So if you enjoy this type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget, we do have an active giveaway going on right now. It is with Glamour Jewelry Box. It will be linked down below in the description. So enter if you have not already. It ends on December 10th. So I mentioned mystery boxes, and that's what we have today. As you can see, we have the Ofra Mystery Box. This is from one of the Black Friday, pre-Black Friday sales they did. And this was only $29. They did have another one that was $59, but I just went with this one because I wanted to see, if it was actually really good. Usually Ofra is pretty decent. So, all right, so let's just dive in here and see what they've got. I can kind of see a little bit through. I do know one item because it was shown, and it's actually the main reason I purchased this. And then it kind of had the outline of the other items, so I kind of have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. And then obviously color variations. So let's just get in here and see. So we open the bubble wrap, and oh, yeah, okay. All right, Ofra. So we did get one of their long-lasting liquid lipsticks, and their formula is one of my favorites. And this is in the color Pasadena, which looks very pretty. And I think at one point or another I had this, but that is a very, very pretty color. Let's see. We'll do a little swatch. So that is definitely right up my alley. So I'm super happy for that. And then the next item is a pressed powder, perfectly pressed, powerful pigment, Winter Rose Glow. Is this a blush? Let's see. I think this might be a blush. It is in Winter Rose Glow. Oh, y'all, that is beautiful. And it does have a little bit of shimmer. That is such a pretty color blush. I love it. It's magnetic. So far, you do get 4 products. Like I said, one of them was the eyeshadow palette that you saw. The other you got sneak peeks of. This was, I'm curious, what do we have here? Oh, we have an eyeliner. It is, I just lost my earring. Put that back in. Get in there. We're not done yet. It is a black eyeliner. I don't want to open it. I'm not sure if it's going to be like a regular pencil that you have to sharpen. If it's going to be, well, I think you are going to have to sharpen it. It doesn't feel like it's a roll up or anything like that. But I don't know if it's going to be more of the creamy or just like the regular wooden. So I'm just going to hold on to this right now because I've got so many black eyeliners. But I'm glad to not see a liquid liner. I do have to say that. So, and then our final item is the palette, and this you kind of saw the way they had it was like at an angle, but it is called the Black Friday palette. So I'm gonna open this. Let me get my little box cutter and open this guy. Oh, let's make sure we get all of this. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so it did have the protector. It has a nice mirror. Y'all, these colors. Look at that. This is stunning. Like, I am so happy. The palette to me alone is worth it. That is so beautiful. And then, like I said, it's a Black Friday palette. And then the gorgeous blush, the beautiful lipstick, and then a black eyeliner. Yes, 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 and yes. Ofra, they killed it. This was a fantastic mystery box. The way they had the palette, like in the picture when you could order, was kind of like this. So you could see that it was like cool toned, but oh my goodness, y'all, it's just stunning. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. So we got some mattes. We definitely have lots of shimmers. Yes. I'm so excited. I'm like speechless. So let me know if you picked up this Black Friday mystery box. Like I said, they also had one that was $59, a little bit bigger. I don't remember exactly how many more products were in that box, but the palette was different. And that's, aside from the price point, a lot of the reason I wanted this one is because I wanted this eyeshadow palette. The other was more colorful and I think had highlighter and a blush, but I don't remember exactly. If they're still available, I'll make sure to link them down below in the description. But for $29, I'm not mad at all. Their liquid lipsticks are usually $20. So I'm super happy. I think I definitely got my money's worth, and I am loving the color of everything, and so I'm extremely pleased. So like I said, let me know if you got one. Did we get the exact same things as far as colors? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know if you think you may pick one up if they are still available now. And yeah, I'm excited. I think that they, like I said, they killed it. This was one of the better mystery boxes I think I've ever received, even though it was only 4 items. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much to my channel members. Your support means more than you know. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate each and every one of you who take the time just to watch my videos and be here and support our channel and be part of our YouTube family. I love y'all. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.